Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to deactivate an employee in Wave. If an employee leaves your business, you should deactivate them without deleting their history. Here's how to do it. First step, navigate to Payroll and go to Employees. Now find the employee you wish to deactivate and click their name. Step 2, scroll down to the Status section. Near the bottom, you're going to see an option for active or inactive. Step 3, click Deactivate Employee, where it will prompt you to confirm that the employee has left and won't appear in future payrolls. Step 4, enter termination details. You can add final work date, final pay period, any final pay adjustments, that's bonuses, PTO, payouts, etc. Once that's done, step 5, save changes. The employee will no longer appear in your run payroll screen, but the records will remain for reporting, tax forms, and audit purposes. You can always reactivate them anytime if they return. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you in the next one.